Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF. My name is Vishnu Agarwal and I'm the host for today's episode. So, in the era of AI, where the world is leveraging large language models to solve multiple business problems, at the same time, organizations are looking forward to leverage these generative AI models to create agents which will help them to automate process and reduce cost in the long run. I would like to invite Arvind Raman to discuss more about how do we create these agents and why do we care about it. Let's invite Arvind Raman for a short conversation.
Hi Vishnu, pleasure to be on TGIF.
So quickly, Arvind, as you know that the world is talking about AI agents today. So can you help us understand what exactly is these agents in the world of AI and what are the different scenarios where we can leverage this to do more?
Agents are AI services that primarily help us to complete a task in a complex environment with minimal supervision.
Okay.
The key aspect here is the adaptability of the agent in a complex environment.
Okay.
What the agents primarily do is decompose a particular activity into multiple smaller steps and execute each of them. And in the event of hitting a particular roadblock, they have the ability to kind of pull out multiple tools and execute it, or retrace the path and chart out a new course for execution. Say, for example, in manufacturing, we've seen the emergence of an industrial co-pilot that integrates IT and OT data and has the ability to do a conversation with you on the health of the equipment.
Okay.
This primarily helps me to reduce downtime. Or in a retail scenario wherein an agent on the website helps me to navigate the complete course of my shopping, right from discovery to product features, recommendations to checkout, is guided by an agent. So we're seeing a huge adoption across multiple industries.
Okay, great, Arvind. So you mean to say that as a customer, if I have to book a flight from Bangalore to Delhi, I can go to a airline website, I can chat with the bot saying that, oh, give me different options and help me book the flight. Will agent help me to do this entire process end to end?
Absolutely. There will be a series of agents that would be orchestrated.
Okay.
Say, for example, the drive from your residence to the airport and booking the flight ticket and to kind of making the payment and booking a particular place of stay or others, multiple agents orchestrate and help you to execute the activity.
Wonderful. Also, help me understand how, as a developer, I can leverage Microsoft platform to create an AI agent.
Towards enabling developers build AI agents, Microsoft has recently launched the Azure AI Agent Service, which is a fully managed service for building, deploying, and scaling AI agents.
Okay.
The four key tenets of the platform are a robust platform for deployment and automation, a choice of tools, a choice of LLMs, and enterprise grade security.
Okay.
Let's look at a scenario wherein I want to build a particular agent. Microsoft provides choice across every layer of the stack in building these LLMs, right from data sources, be it structured data, unstructured data. I could connect to a Fabric data lake, I could connect to a SharePoint, or I can also leverage the Bing search and ground my data. For automation, I have the ability to call in an Azure Logic Apps, Azure Functions, or the Open API 3.0. In terms of LLMs, I have the ability to choose either a proprietary model or an open source model and build in the specific solutions and also bring in my own search data. So the key value proposition of the platform is the ability to bring in all these different sources together without managing any of them and help me rapidly deploy these applications.
So can you also help me showcase a demo that how can I create an AI agent by using Microsoft platform or the AI Foundry?
Yes, Vishnu. Let's go into a demo. And in this particular case, I have chosen the example of Daimler Trucks. What we are going to do is we will be leveraging an operating manual of the Daimler Trucks to get operational information. We will also use grounded data from Bing to understand about models prices and also leverage the RDBMS data or the quality control data to kind of make queries. So we bring in all these different sources of data integrated within the overall agentic framework and are able to get specific responses. So
Great.
let's get
So
on
let's
with
get
it.
started.
I'm in the homepage of the Azure AI Agent Service in the AI Foundry. I go ahead and start by giving a name to my agent, and in this case, I'm going to call it Daimler. I choose the particular deployment model of the Azure OpenAI service and give it a clear set of instructions based on which it would operate. Towards adding knowledge sources, I currently have three options. The first is to upload a particular file, second is to bring in an existing Azure AI search, and third is by grounding it to Bing search. Let's go ahead and leverage two of them. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a particular user manual of the Daimler trucks out here. As you see, the file has been uploaded. Now I would go ahead and add a Bing search, which would help me to ground my search data on Bing. So I go ahead, I have created a resource and I go ahead and connect it with the Bing source. Now that we've uploaded unstructured data, structured data, and also grounded it with Bing search, let's go ahead and ask it a couple of queries. So I'm going to go ahead and ask it the first question, and in this particular case, the tool will refer to the user manual uploaded and give me a quick response. Great. Now I would want it to check the capabilities of leveraging the grounded sources from Bing, and I would ask it a specific question which is not available in the user manual. In this case, as you see, it is leveraging the Bing search engine and has given me the specific data points. Let's go ahead now and ask it a specific question from the structured data that was inputted and see the response. So in this particular case, it is referring to the CSV file, calling upon the specific code interpreter tool, and will look into the specific columns, the specific rows, and give me the output. So as you see out here, I have the ability to refer to unstructured, credible sources of data, data based on Bing search, and structured data all within the same playground without writing a single line of code.
With that, you have seen how by leveraging AI agents can help you to increase the productivity over the long run and reduce the cost. With that, see you next week on another episode of TGIF. Thank you. Bye.